Growing kindness together. This unity tree at Hilton and Island Elementary School is taking root as students lend a hand to promote kindness and inclusion. Each class created an orange hand-shaped cutout, decorated with messages of encouragement, and added them to the unity tree.
Our hand says, use your voice for kindness, your ears for compassion, your hands for charity, your mind for truth, your heart for love.
One drop of kindness is all it takes to fill someone's heart with love.
The hands are all orange. The color symbolizes kindness, acceptance, and inclusion, and sends a visible, unified message that bullying is not acceptable.
It's good to be kind because when someone's sad, you can give them positivity and they'll spread it all around the school.
It's important to spread kindness because if someone's having a bad day, then you can spread kindness to them and they would feel happier, and that kindness can spread on and on over and over again.
We need kids to be kind to other kids because we don't want kids in the world to be sad.
I try to be as kind as I can and play with them and ask if they want to be my friend.
The school is proud of the thoughtful messages each class added to their handprints.
This kindness tree is a great example of our students here, their positive choices, their unity, how we respect individuals' differences, and students have been working hard to create messages to put on our tree to express how at Hilton Head Elementary we are all one community, united, and we are there for one another.
October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and schools across the district are taking part in several kindness challenges that inspire unity and respect. At Hilton and Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.